Hello and welcome to our video on Amazon affiliate marketing. Are you interested in earning money by promoting products on Amazon? Then, you're in the right place. In this short video, we will take you through what Amazon affiliate marketing is, how it works, and tips for success. Amazon affiliate marketing works by providing affiliates with a unique affiliate link that they can use to promote Amazon products. When a customer clicks on the affiliate's link and makes a purchase, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. All you need to get started is a website, blog, or social media following. Once you've signed up for the program, you'll have access to a wide range of products to promote and the ability to track your earnings through the Amazon affiliate dashboard. Amazon affiliate marketing offers a number of benefits, including commission on sales, wide range of products, a flexible way to earn money, and no upfront cost. Commission on sales. The biggest benefit of the program is the opportunity to earn a commission on sales. By promoting Amazon products, you'll receive a portion of the revenue generated from customer purchases made through your unique affiliate link. Wide range of products. Amazon offers a vast selection of products, including books, electronics, clothing and more, making it easier to find something that aligns with your niche or interests. Flexible way to earn money. You can promote products as much or as little as you want, and there's no minimum sales requirement. It's a flexible way to earn income and supplement your existing income streams. No upfront cost. You don't need to invest any money to get started, making it an accessible way for anyone to earn money online. How does it work? Create an Amazon account or sign into an existing one. Visit the Amazon Associates Program website and apply to become an affiliate. Once approved, you will have access to Amazon's product selection, links and banners to promote on your website, blog, or social media. How to promote affiliated products. Choose the products you want to promote from Amazon's product selection. Use the unique affiliate links provided by Amazon. Write product reviews, create videos, or promote the products through social media ads to drive traffic to the affiliate links. How to track sales and earnings. Use the Amazon Associates dashboard to track clicks, sales, and earnings in real time. Monitor your performance and adjust your promotional strategy as needed. Receive payment from Amazon on a monthly basis, with no minimum threshold for payment. Tips to help maximize your success. Promote products you personally recommend. Use eye-catching visuals. Target the right audience. Utilize Amazon's tools and resources. By following the step-by-step process, you can successfully earn commission on sales and reap the benefits of this flexible and low-cost program. If you're interested in giving it a try, don't hesitate to jump in and start your journey today. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and insights on all things Amazon affiliate marketing.